A checklist of 10 annual tasks for life maintenance. Life is mostly about maintenance. Chores like laundry, grocery shopping, bill payment, and so forth. We're rushing around attempting to balance our obligations with our desire to have fun. It gets so easy to overlook the tiny things that improve and enhance our lives. Every year at the beginning, we usually take some time to reflect deeply within ourselves. For the most part, we use it as a chance to start over and set goals for the upcoming year. Apart from those goals, there are some other things you may accomplish this year that would significantly enhance your quality of life. These 10 activities ought to be completed at least annually. First things first. Declutter. Clear out your closet, your pocketbook, the phone's contact list, your inbox of emails, everything. Get rid of everything that evokes negative feelings or that you don't need. Everything in your life ought to be helpful, joyful, or inspiring. It's merely taking up needless space if it's not doing any of these functions. Rearrange your space. Number 2. The function of items and their placement alter a room's overall atmosphere. Since personal space contains energy, you may notice differences in your perception from the previous year if you rearrange your desk, TV, and bed, as well as your favorite lamp. Just be sure it's a positive change. Invest in some new shoes and clothes. Number 3. Purchase new clothing. Changing out your clothes may be quite fulfilling. It will make you look better and give you more confidence. Fit is crucial, so only purchase items of clothing and footwear that make you feel as though you're walking on clouds all day. Never be afraid to spend a little bit extra on high-quality apparel if you have the means to do so. And keep in mind that high-quality apparel need not always come from the priciest companies. I promise you that a $20 trillion shirt won't feel any more comfy than a $800 Gucci one. Bring a friend if you detest shopping for clothes or are unsure about what to buy. Ideally one with a keen eye for color coordination and clothing design. Fourth, tidy up your electronic life. Make over your life. Almost everyone on the planet uses a computer for a large portion of their daily life these days, and the more time spent on one, the more cluttered it gets. You understand what I mean. It's time to tidy up if your laptop or desktop is covered in icons from top to bottom. To begin, you can make a folder for different items. Make a folder for your music collection, within of which you may make subfolders for various genres. You can also make folders for your papers, movies, and so on. Verify that your security software is up to date while you're at it. After everything is finished, open your social networks and assess the relationships you have. Now would be a good time to tidy those up as well. Having 2,000 Facebook friends may seem impressive, but how many of them do you really communicate with? Step 5. Take stock. Think back. Think about the things you would like to see more of for a while. Whether it's true love, gratitude, becoming better friends, or anything else. Choose a proactive way to share that with others. When we see others as lacking, it's usually a reflection of our own insufficiency. In this sense, karma is a magical force that rewards giving with more giving. Step 6. Create a list. Create a list. List the things that are important to you, followed by a list of the ways in which you plan to give them top priority. Give your friend priority if you are more concerned about their well-being than a fleeting annoyance. Give your roommate's peaceful coexistence a higher priority than your argument over a new soiled dish. Choose your priorities and a strategy for resolving your problems. Simply caring more about something else is the best way to move past something. 7th, journey travel. Frequently, people put off traveling in favor of purchasing the newest, most popular item on the market, such as a TV or PS4. However, in a few years, all of these items will be outdated, and it's improbable that you will look back and recall the wonderful evenings you spent playing Call of Duty till 6 in the morning. You make lifelong experiences and broaden your horizons when you travel. Explore new places, they can work wonders. It's not necessary to go across a continent for 2 months for this to happen. That will do, even if it's just an hour away. Just go somewhere else for a week or two. Traveling to different places will alter your perspective, and reflections on such experiences will always be fascinating. I promise you that it will rank among the year's highlights. You might even discover a fantastic new location, make new friends, and take in some breathtaking architecture. Not only will they create wonderful memories, but you'll also have some amazing tales to share. Step 8. Take someone by surprise. Astonish someone. Give someone something unexpected and incredibly kind that they won't expect. Give a random buddy a bouquet of flowers, a gift card, or take a special someone out to dinner. Do something so altruistic that it is impossible for you to do it on a regular basis. A thoughtful act that would brighten someone else's year and show them that someone cared enough to go to that extent for them. Number 9. Go on a date with someone. Go on a date with someone. Many things have changed. People went on dates in the days before the internet. Indeed, isn't that amazing? I am referring about an era in which you could not just make someone appear in your bed by swiping a screen. Take a genuine date out with someone. Get tickets to a performance and make a reservation at a restaurant. Since everyone is aware that organizing such events requires thought, preparation, and time, you will make the recipient feel particularly valued. Attempt something different. 10th tip. Try something different. Trying a new hobby is one of the finest ways to get better at something. It could be drawing, taking pictures, cooking, or anything else. Really, as long as it's something new, it doesn't matter. Even if this seems fantastic, the majority of individuals always desire to try something new but never seem to find the time to do it. What then are your options? I advise searching online for local classes. Sign up for one of those evening classes that you attend for a few hours once a week. You won't feel committed enough to go, but it will only cost a few $100. Who knows? Maybe you'll find a talent you didn't know you had. How do you feel? Comment and share your ideas below. I appreciate you seeing and subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Click the subscribe button to see more of our videos if you haven't already.